guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video we are doing banana cake, and before we dive into today's video, I just want to say a big thank you to my new subscribers. I'm so grateful, and to my old subscribers I say a very big thank you. Continue to hit on the like button, enjoy my videos, and leave a comment for me if you have something to add. Thank you so much. So for the banana cake we'll be using, I'm sorry for the background noise, my son is seriously making noise. So for the banana cake we are going to be using 2 cups of flour. We are going to be using half cup of sugar because I don't like too much sugar, and also because I will be using 3 bananas, so there's no need to put too much sugar. I'm using half cup of liquid milk. I'm using 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm using 2 eggs, lukewarm water. This is my lukewarm water. I'll be using baking powder and salt. Those are the things I'll be needing for my banana cake. Please watch, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you. Toothpick.